Hey there guys, welcome back to another episode of Joy's Guided World. Today I'll unbox the OnePlus Bullets Wireless 2 which I ordered from OnePlus.in.
So I'll get a case also with this Bullets Wireless 2, and this one is my Bullets Wireless. It comes with the two colors variant. One is black, which I ordered it. Another is in the olive green, which is the new color. Let's unbox it. First check out the carry box. So it's just like a hard disk driver case. So it's a very good premium build quality. And let's unbox the real device. So this one is Bullets Wireless 2. Let's check what inside the box. So there's a good plastic seal over there, so I have to cut it. Okay, let's open the box. So you can see the never settle, and let's see what's in the box. There's a free your music. This is also the best product of 2019-20 by EISA award. This is the best wireless in-ear headphones, the Bullets Wireless 2. This is another pouch case with inside the box, and this is the warp charge cable. If you charge this device for just 10 minutes, you can do the music playback time is another 10 hours. So you will get another buds over here. So medium size on your headphone, and there are another small and big size. You will get it. This is the documentation. So you can go for the user manual. And let's check the headphone. There is some new great features with the Bullets Wireless 2. So firstly, this comes with the aptXHD, so you will get the high definition sound, and it also comes with the Bluetooth 5.0 with the superior stability, and it also comes with Knowles advanced micro associates. So you can also, this one is the pairing button, and this one is the Type-C charging port. This build quality is very good. You can bend it also. This is very premium build quality. And this is the buttons. This one you have to just you can see this is your Bullets Wireless 2 device. Let's pair it with the OnePlus device. So with OnePlus device, this pairing is so easy. Just turn your Bluetooth on and pair a new device. You will get a pop-up. You will get a pop-up from a notification, and just tap to pair, and it will be paired. This is also supported the dual pair, so you can use the two devices at once. So you can see you can control your AirPlay also. So when you and smart Bluetooth playback also with this device. This is called the magical control. Pause your music, easy, simple clip to the Bullets Wireless together, magnetic to turn off them. And you can also connect with your iPhone. So just turn on your Bluetooth, and you can see the Bullets Wireless 2 again. So I also connect with the iPhone and OnePlus device at a time. So you can also connect with your laptops or tablets. You just press the button 2 times. Just double tap the button, and it will be switch the device between 2 devices. It will be switched. So you can see my Bluetooth connection on my iPhone, and I just tap the button twice and it will switch to my OnePlus device. You can see it's connected to OnePlus device. This is a great features. In next video I'll tell you the full details of the Bullet Wireless 2. Thanks for watching George. Don't forget to like and subscribe.